So for the calculation of the energy balance for the boiler, we need to keep in mind both sides of the heat transfer. So first of all, for the water and the flue gas. We'll start talking about the flue gas. So as we explained in the other video, that you have the burning of the fuel, which enters into the boiler and returns back flue gases and leaves from the stack. Some of the measurements, as we shown in the other video, is for the gas analyzers. You will see they are connected, the two metal rods in the back. The third measurement is the green wire, which brings us to this reading, and is the temperature reading for the flue gas. So you can see now in the preheating phase, the temperature is rising with the buildup of temperature and pressure in the boiler. And from this flue gas temperature outlet, then you could do the energy balance from the flue gas side. After you've done the mass balance and you have your air to fuel ratio, and then you have the amount of flue gas leaving from the system.
Yeah, and of course the room temperature here is 23 degrees Celsius. This you also need as an input or reference point.
Okay. And then if we look at the other side from the boiler perspective, so first of all, this is a closed system, comparable, if you think about it, compared to power plants. There is one component in actual power plants that we do not have here. If you give yourself a moment to think about it, it's the pump. So the pump is replaced here by having this closed system, and with the introduction of heat over time, then you start to have a buildup of temperature and pressure. So first I'll show you the pressure reading increase in the preheating. So with more heat introduced, the pressure will start to rise. Okay. Another measurement reading you could look at, the digital one. So you have here both the temperature and pressure of the boiler, and you can see the temperature and the pressure both rising, and that's how we replace the pump in the continuous system in the power plant with our closed system here, and how we build up the pressure of the steam. This is a schematic of the heat exchange or heat transfer that takes place.
And also on the screen you have the measurement value of the fuel flow. So the flow of propane, 4.9 liters per minute at the moment. Then there's the generator voltage of power, generator output as a bar. Then generator RPM, current, and information on the turbine inlet and outlet. And all this will be stored in the in Excel format for your use afterwards. And just one more detail is, of course, that during this procedure the steam admission